Hello, let's talk about coffee pucks. A beautiful one and not so good looking one. Today we gonna talk about machine Melita Nivona. For such problem very often varies on such machine. And this machine actually my favorite one because that machine creates nice coffee, very nice. But of course any coffee machine brand can make bad coffee pucks. It can be Saeco or DeLonghi, it doesn't matter at all. Of course, an older brother of Melita Nivona machine, Jura, can make bad coffee packs too. There is some answers to these questions. So let's start the main problem what causes these bad coffee pucks. And let's try to guess it. I think you will never can guess, but it is a coffee grinder. Why so? Let's check. Here is our coffee grinder. How is it work? Coffee beans go inside this chamber of our grinder, and such burrs destroyed these beans, and from this hole there is a grinded coffee what goes to our brew unit, and water in brew unit creates our beverage. So what can be a problem with our grinder? And main problem of course with grinding burrs. As you can see, this is burrs and in not very good condition. Not very good conditions, I mean a rust. Rust destroys erasers of these burrs. These razors must be in ideal condition, but as you can see there is a small hole spots on each blades of this burr, on central one and on big one too. So coffee beans didn't grind and ideal consistency. For your information, this coffee grinded by my big grinder, professional one, Nata F64. It looks beautiful, it looks with same particles, so water in brewing chamber of our brew goes perfectly even, and in result you will got all your coffee particles evenly brewing, and you will got perfectly created cup of coffee. Your pack will looks like this, but as you can see particles on my Melita machines grinder are not the same. They look very different, one bigger, one smaller, and in result this coffee pack creates not even extraction of coffee, and water sends near big chunks of coffee but not from all surface of our coffee pack. This is first cause, but bad coffee extraction and coffee pack looking like a mess. So second result of very used coffee burrs, they grinded coffee slowly. So when you got a new one or in good condition one burrs, they fast destroys coffee beans and create you for your grinded coffee. But when these burrs get such damages like this one, they on some amount of time what programmed in your machine creates a little coffee. This problem what can cause? Let's see again. This is brewing chamber of our brew unit on Melita machine. When coffee sends inside this brewing chamber, top piston will push coffee inside this brewing chamber and create our coffee pack. But our brewing chamber and closed one looking like this in top position. But coffee inside this cylinder not enough. So coffee inside cylinder don't look like a pack. It can easily move inside our cylinder, and when water goes straight inside our brewing chamber, it goes very freely. For instance, let's take a check on professional coffee machine. So if you got a right amount of coffee, in our cases amount about 15 grams or even a little bigger, when you temper it, you got right amount of coffee for creating coffee pack, this coffee pack. But if I send about 10 grams, let's take it to trash. Let's try to small amount of coffee sent to our coffee pack, maybe even 9 or 8 grams. As you can see, it even not for this ring have filled our basket, and just strike a push it. Our temper even not create any packs, because as on our brew unit, top piston in our brew unit case, of course, not get some place to push our coffee and create our beautiful coffee pack. So let's try to add some coffee again and try push create by temper our coffee pack again. I think this amount about 13 grams. Push, and actually we got a nice coffee pack, and this coffee pack will create a nice coffee, a beautiful crema, nice flavor, and will be look like our second coffee pack, such one. Of course, some problems with brew unit, as broken gaskets, leaks, cracks in plastic parts, can result in damages of our coffee pack too. But if you got such problems, your brew unit will leaks, your machine will leaks, so you by your eyes will see another problems with machine. But if your machine works normally, have any leaks, but creates bad pack of coffee, mainly with problem or with small amount of coffee, or with coffee burrs, grinded burrs, of course. So these two moments will help you to create nice coffee pack, to create nice coffee, but it can be costly, because on most machines you can buy burrs only with coffee grinder assembled in such piece of machinery, let's say it, and it costs about 100 euros accordingly to different brands. So that's all. Thank you for your attention. If you got some question, let me answer to your question. Just write me in comments. Thank you. Goodbye.